Wait, hold up. I figured it out. So what I did was get a socket. This happens to be 7/8. Pulled it through to get it started like I did. And it has to be short. Stuck it over the filter. Like that. See how it doesn't go all the way in? And then what I did was, it's already in there, guide it like so. And then push down, apply even pressure, and it popped right through. So this thing is fixed. It's a viable fix. Sorry for the half hour. Hope you guys had a couple of good laughs, but 45 seconds, we figured it out. All right, guys, later.